Hey everyone, this is Angie with Tinks Treasurez. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a brief video today, partially because I was on vacation and then got sick while on vacation, and now I'm trying to get over being sick. So I have some hot tea here, I've got my Dayquil in me, and a cough drop to try and get through this. But I was, my whole plan was when I get back, I had ordered these products from Anna Griffin and some supplemental stuff here from Amazon that I was all excited to be able to do all these things as soon as I got home from vacation, and then I got sick. So for today, I just want to run through everything that I was able to get with my Anna Griffin HSN haul and just show you everything, and then kind of give you an idea of my plans to be able to make some projects with this. So Anna Griffin was on the last craft, I don't know if it was an official craft day, but the craft session on HSN. So I was able to get a bunch of her new product and a few of her older stuff that I've been waiting to go on sale, which I've been waiting to get this little tractor. I don't think it ever officially went on sale as in clearance, but I finally did get this, which I'm very excited for. We have a little mini farm here. I have a tractor that my grandpa gave me, so this is kind of in memory of him. And let me see what else we got. Oh, this is for the Gild Machine. Oh, and then I was waiting for this one. This one was on sale. I did get this. I know this is an oldie but a goodie. I haven't had a chance to use it, but definitely going to be great to be able to use for some masculine cards. Okay, and then we have this one. And there she is. I know Anna had been waiting a while to be able to get this out. She said it was in planning stages for several years. And I don't have any of the others. I know there's been some other brands out there, but I was waiting to see what Anna was going to have. So the Empress Gild, which will work with my Empress machine. This is the Empress original one. So this is everything that it comes with. This is your plate that's going to heat up, your power cord, the silicone mat, the tweezers, your instruction booklet, and these plates. Now I know she talked about these little feet popping off during use, so we'll see how well they work, but she said to just go ahead and super glue them back on if anything happens. And I kind of really thought that when this bundle or this product was coming out that she would have a bundle. She always has a bundle, but there was no bundle with this. It was just the product itself, the little machine. So she had all of her other supplies separately. So these are the ones that I chose. And she did them in this blue to be able to differentiate, because these are not cutting dies. And the majority of what she has is cutting dies. So there's 2 sets here. Each come with corners and then a background. And then she also always provides an idea sheet. So these are the ones that work with this design. And she had several of the designs to choose from. I just thought to try it out, I got one of each, one that had a background and then one that had sentiments. So you get 4. And then this is the idea sheet that comes with it as well. And there's no foil that came with it. She offered foil separately, but I chose instead to be able to order off Amazon. And so I'm going to put a link for this down below. I'm going to give this a try. I hope in the next few days, as I get over this cold and my voice recovers, that I'll be able to do some projects with this. But this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12 rolls in here, and they're 5.9 inches wide, and they're 4.26 feet long. So I figured you could get quite a few uses out of this, and get an idea for what I like. This may be plenty. I do like to make cards, but it's not like I sit down and just foil everything. But I want to give a few products a try, so I needed the foil to go with it. So this is what I'm trying. I'm going to add a link for this below in the description box, because I think it's a good value. And I do think that there are plenty of other options on Amazon. Also, I've seen other people posting different options that they have got. And then if you haven't got this foil machine, or to try in other foil machines out there, I know Sizzix has one that you can also use. She was talking about her 3D dies you can use in here, as well as the impression dies. So I have a little bit of each, and so I want to give those a try and see how they work out, and just to be able to play with it, because I do love my gadgets. I think that is primarily what I buy from Anna. I love her dies. I love her machines. I think those are all quality. I don't always get all of her papers and all of her kits. I do have some of her kits, but I really enjoy all of the products and the gadgets. So that's my plan, is to be able to put this together, run it through my Empress machine, and see how well it works, and give you guys a little review and a little demo, and just see how it all comes together. So this is my quick little haul that I had from Anna Griffin and HSN, all the different products I got. So I am anxious to be able to put all this together and show you what I have. So this is just a quick video, and I'll watch for some more, and hopefully I'll be sounding better. So I appreciate you watching, and as always, I'm still trying to grow my channel. So if you found this content helpful, useful, or you just like it and you're in a good mood and you want to give me a like and a subscribe, I would truly appreciate it. It's free for you to do, but priceless for me. So until next time, happy crafting. Bye.